Welcome to BMW Malaysia's first EV launch of 2026. We have two new models today, but for this video we are going to focus on this one, and this is a very special release. This is the first ever BMW EV to be locally assembled in Malaysia. So come and join me to learn what the new BMW i5 CKD has to offer. Before we start, here's a quick history of the BMW i5 in Malaysia. The i5 eDrive 40 was originally launched in Malaysia back in 2023 as a fully imported CPU unit. It was a rather interesting occasion because this is the first time that an electric model was chosen to mark the arrival of a new generation BMW 5 Series in Malaysia. The i5 eDrive 40 was also the recipient of the Silver Award for Electric Sedan of the Year category at the SoyaCincau Awards 2023. Furthermore, the BMW i5 family is one of the best-selling BMW EVs in Malaysia for the past 2 years. And now, the i5 has just become the latest symbol of BMW's continuous commitment to Malaysia. As EV brings together plenty of technology to the table, by having the i5 assembled in Malaysia, this may help elevate the knowledge of local workforce as well as the local supply chain ecosystem. BMW has also already looking into second life battery applications in Malaysia, together with several local partners, with the latest being University Malaya. So let's move on to the car itself. As you may notice, the new CKD model has M Sport Pro to its name, as opposed to the CBU model, which is an M Sport version. So there are some tweaks done to the car's exterior and interior. Among them are the shadow line elements on the car's lights, as well as the BMW kidney iconic glow. The panoramic roof that was removed from the CBU version through an early 2024 revision made its way back to the CKD version as well. There's also the Elm spoiler at the back. As for the interior, you can now spot a carbon fiber finish on the dashboard, along a number of M bits such as the leather steering wheel, seat belts and headliner. In terms of drivetrain, BMW has retained the rear-mounted 250kW electric motor with 430 Nm of torque for the Malaysian CKD version, but not before implementing some upgrades into its electronics, which resulted in better efficiency that has unlocked more range for the car. We are looking at the differences of up to 45 km, which is quite significant. Meanwhile, the NMC battery on the i5 eDrive 40M Sport Pro CKD has the same battery capacity of 83.9 kWh, just like the CBU version. The car also still features 22kW AC charging and supports DC charging speed of up to 205 kW. Of course, there is also the golden question that many love to ask about CKD cars. So this i5 CKD, is it cheaper from the CBU version? Well, the answer is mestilah. Well, the price differences between the CKD and the CBU version is RM32,000. So, apa lagi you mau? So there you go, a BMW EV made in Kulim. Yet another major proof of BMW's commitment to Malaysia. So what do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. But before that, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to SoyaCincau.com YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for more EV content here at SoyaCincau.com. My name is Chief Capri and I'll see you in the next one.